It's official, guys. It's official. I'm out of here. It's time to pack, y'all. It's that time again. We're doing it all over again. But I think this time we know what we're doing. So, yeah. It's that time again. Time to pack. So the packing continues. Don't mind the clothes on the floor. Taking stuff off the wall. Barrel almost filled. All this stuff. Take down the kitchen. Little by little, we're getting there. Guys, this has been a lot, I have to say. When I first moved to Ghana, I didn't have this much stuff because I just like bought a few things and then I kept shipping in pieces. This time around, I have a full apartment of things that I'm sending back. And I've just been buying and packing, buying and packing. I'm so tired. I'm just like, this is very overwhelming. Like, you would think it would be easy because I've done this already and this is like the third time I'm doing this. But it's not. I think it's always gonna be an overwhelming process, just trying to get everything out. Trying to make sure everything in Ghana is right before I get there. Making sure everything here is good before I leave. Like putting everything into place. It's like constant planning and just replaying everything in my head. Replaying everything in my head. Okay, did I miss this? Did I not miss this? I have like 1,000,001 checklists on my phone. Like, it's a lot. One of my friends is coming over to help me today because I've been packing by myself and it's been draining. I try to tackle one room at a time and I still need help and I have to be out of here in 8 days. Yep, 8 days. And the shippers need to see everything before they can quote me also. So that's another thing. I just went and I just bought a TV box because I threw the original TV box away. And then back here, as you can see, I have all these stuff. I'm selling the couch. Person was come pick it up tomorrow, so hopefully that goes through. And I pretty much have to break all this thing down. And it seems like I'm packing, but it's just more and more things every time I go in to tackle a closet or a bag. I'm like, oh my God, I have so much stuff. And like, I'm like, I accumulated all this stuff in 2 years. I came to this apartment with literally 2 suitcases and my body. And now I have all these things. And I'm just grateful because I'm really trying to like buy everything that I need before I get to Ghana. Like, because I don't, to be honest, I don't like shopping in Ghana. I just rather have everything now. So I am buying everything I need. And this journey is definitely, it's an interesting one, guys, I have to say. I can't wait to be able to talk about it more once I'm there because I decided to like hide this until I get there. So yeah, just documenting the whole process. It's not fun. So if you decide to ever want to do this, just know that it's not going to be a fun process. It's going to be long and tedious. So that's to that. Now I shall continue packing. I'm tired, y'all. Today's the day the shippers come and take everything. I'm just exhausted. I feel like I've been hit by a truck trying to do all this packing. I had to break down everything, the bed. I'm on the floor right now. Packed up everything, taped it. It's just left for them to pick it up. And then I'm out of this apartment tomorrow. And I'm a nomad for at least 2 weeks before I get out. But I'm just happy to be almost there. Almost at the finish line. Would I recommend this journey to anybody? Probably not. You have to really want it bad, guys, because the work that it goes into, preparing yourself to move back home, and it's just me. Imagine if I was moving with kids. I can't even imagine. I don't even want to think about that. But, I'm just grateful to be at this point. But it's been a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy, missing out on, being there for certain people, not being able to have fun. I have not had fun in weeks. I've just been so, gotta stick to the plan, gotta do this, gotta go buy this, lunch breaks, go buy this, go buy a box. I've been in and out U-Haul. I think the guy knows me by now. That's how much I've been in and out of U-Haul. It's been a lot. It's definitely, not an easy journey, and I think it'd have been easier if I had more help, but it's just me, and man, it has not been easy. But when we get to Ghana, we'll see how how everything falls into place. And yeah, no successful journey is easy, so I guess these are the the highs and lows of making this decision again, I should say. This but third time is a charm, and yeah, we're doing it again, but this time I have reasons to stay. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. It's been a lot, but almost there. The shippers finally came, guys. They're like almost 2 hours late, but anyways, we talk about that another time. I look crazy. Please, sorry. Bear their parents. It's tough times, but they took a lot of the stuff already, so we got to put the TV in this box here. I put the mattress in the mattress cover, and my bike is going to. But yeah, I'm just ready to be done, and I'm not even done, because as soon as they take everything out, I have to start cleaning this place up, because the inspection is tomorrow, and I dropped my keys, and I am officially out of Newark, and I can say that I am happy that I'm out of Newark, and I can't even get rest yet, because I have so many clients that are trying to see me before I leave, and like this weekend alone, I have 4 people. So, and that's pretty much gonna be my weekends. Like, even when I go to Kansas, I'm gonna get clients too. So I gotta rack up as much as I can, because my budget, I went way over my budget with the shipping, so I gotta make the money back somehow. And yeah, that's pretty much how it's going. I can't wait to like be settled and just be on the flight going, and just super happy once I land. I can't wait. Men at work, look at the stuff it's going. Bye. It's official, guys. It's official. I'm out of here. The couch is gone, guys. Bye. It's new home. Road trip. Look at this one. It's in Chinese already. Look at this one. I can't. Guys, look. We didn't even start the trip yet, and we're already here. It's time for the road trip.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Girl, bye. We about to start, guys, the journey, but we're already at the car tire spot because I think there's a nail inside my tire. But at least we caught it just before we hit the road. But on our way to Kansas, y'all. Hi guys.
Hey.
We just made a pit stop to get some food. We have what, 13 hours or some change left?
969 miles.
Who sent us? Who asked me to do this? Should have just took a flight.
For real, you just told them to let them ship the car over there.
Right? But the money too.
That's true. And it's an experience.
We're making it. I think I could go for another 2 hours and it's on to the next person.
No, your time ain't up yet.
What is my time ain't up yet? Family checking in. We are currently in Indianapolis.
How about you so
see people. You are next.
I'm not driving.
She's gonna be driving soon. She thinks she's slick. Oh Lord, we look crazy. It's alright. We got some breakfast. We're getting there. We have less than 6 hours.
Thanks to me.
Oh, what you mean thanks to you? McDonald's. I can't. Anyways, just checking in. We'll be there soon. We made it. Oh my God, guys, I think 22 hours later, we're here. I'm never doing this again. Horrible.
Same sentiments here.
She only drove 2 hours. Shut up. Get off my video.
Okay?
I made it, guys. Woohoo!